What's up, guys? Welcome back to the automotive channel, and today we're gonna be, I guess, making another video on the red OBS Chevy truck. And you guys have been, I guess, been sort of kind of enjoying this video series for a bit, like me just making a bunch of videos on my daily driver truck. So yeah, I decided to make another one. I don't friggin' know how to friggin' start a video anymore. Anyways, so yeah, today, guys, it's gonna be basically the start of the series of me modifying this truck even more. Well, except for the fact that I already made an exhaust video on it and stuff. So today, starting today, we're gonna be installing some LED lights all the way around in this truck. So yeah, we're gonna be basically sort of kind of modernizing this truck a bit. So grab your popcorn and watch me, at least try to install LED lights in the red OBS Chevy. So the main reason why I want to do this is because not only LEDs are brighter and they take up less energy, these incandescent lights, they look fitting and all with the old style of the truck, but they've been, they're starting to grow on me. They're starting to get a bit boring. So I'm gonna start, replacing them with LED lights, and today we're gonna start with the taillights. So we're gonna start with both taillights and also the third brake light, and yeah, go from there. So yeah, with all that said, let's go ahead and get this started. Whew, it's chilly. It's only like 10 degrees out right now. So yeah, these are going to be the hint of the taillights that I got for the truck. So they're still in the plastic. I just unboxed these a couple days ago when they came in. You can see it's very smoke lens, but if you look closely, you can see the neon tubes that it has. These are called neon tube AJP distributor brand of LED headlights. You can see these right here are my brake lights and turn signals, and these are the running lights. These had some good reviews, and I heard they're pretty good quality. So I'm going to be replacing these conventional taillights with these today. Hopefully it all goes over well. So yeah, and one thing that's kind of crappy about these is the fact that the reverse light is still, incandescent. You got to plug in like a incandescent light in here, but that's okay. I'm just going to reuse the original bulbs for now. Like I said, I'm not going to be LED-ifying everything in this truck in this video, just the things that I want to LED-ify. So yeah, well, let's go ahead and get this started. Why would you? So I went in and put some gloves on because it's freaking cold. So yeah, so these taillights are held on by 2 Phillips head screws. So I got my ratchet and my bit adapter. So we're just gonna go ahead and casually loosen this real quick. Oh frick, I had it on tighten. Actually, as I think about it, I think an electric drill would be faster. Hold on. So right here, I got my impact gun. So this is something you obviously don't want to go too crazy with. We're not going to be ugga-duggy things up today as much as I usually do. So these are just taillights, so you got to be careful with the screws because they're just pretty delicate. They're just in plastic, so we don't want to go too crazy. Okay, I'm just kidding. So, all right, got the second one out, just barely. And yeah, just like that, we can pop out the taillight housing by giving her a good wiggle. And yeah, as you can see, that's pretty dusty. So yeah, let's go ahead and unclip this from the thing. Brack, hold on, this is gonna take like 3 hands or something. Oh shoot, and just like that, I just unplugged it. So yeah, obviously on the inside it's gonna be pretty dusty. And now anyway, as I was saying, with the old wise words of my boy Chris Fix said, out with the old and in with the new. Check these out. These are good. I'm honestly excited to see these in action, so we're going to go ahead and install these. But the thing is, though, the wiring harness is a bit different. It's on wires, and also this has a load resistor, which you have to put on the inside of the bed, which I'll show you guys real quick. So you gotta put this load resistor on a metal part of the truck because this could get really hot with this double-sided sticky tape, and it also came with screws wherever they're at. Yeah, they should be in here. They were in a little baggie, but yeah, you know what? I'll find them. And they're self-tappers. You gotta screw it into like the inside the box, like in that area, and then you'll be able to, plug her in, and it should work. But then again, I gotta take apart the housing so I can get the old reverse light bulb out. So yeah. That said, I'll be back with that. Alright, new camera because my phone suddenly died even though it was at like 60%. yeah, recently did find out that cold weather does make your battery die faster, even though I thought it made it better because, you know, I thought the slower, you know, the juices, it's whatever. Like, they all recommend to keep your phone in a cold, dry area, but I found out that's a lie. So, yeah, anyways, guys, I've been spending these last few minutes getting the old housings out. I took out the other one off camera because I thought it was redundant to show it again, show the same process. And also took out the bulbs, slapped them into the reverse light sockets, and now I'm gonna pop them in, and yeah, hope it works. Just like that. Well, kind of. I need 2 hands, so I'll be back. Yeah, I'm running out of daylight pretty fast, so hopefully I'll be able to get this done. So here comes everybody's favorite part, pulling off the peel. All right. Check this out. And why is it sticking so much to the gasket? That's kind of a bad sign if you ask me. All right, this is now coming off nicely. Well, nicer than, you know, not as nice as I hope, but yeah, it's coming off. And it keeps ripping because it's sticking to the stupid gasket, but it's whatever. If it seals, then it seals. Serves its purpose, does its job, everything checks out, it should be fine. So, just like that, even though there's still some plastic left over on the gasket, but there they are, the new taillights. Well, one of them. I gotta do the same thing to the other one. And hope that they don't stick to the friggin' gasket like it did to the other one. And, yep, they're sticking to the gasket. Why? Why did it make it so sticky to the gasket and not everything? What the hell? It's whatever. So, yeah. Maybe it's the material bonding with each other chemically or something like that, however the hell it works, but yeah. Alright. Who's honking? I was gonna say an accident about to happen. Oh, it's the car coming down the road. So yeah, just like that, here's the other taillight in its full glory. Well, kind of. There's plastic all over it, but it's because of the stupid gasket keeps clinging onto the plastic. But like I said, I'm working on peeling her off, boys. Oh, there we go. Alright, now since the taillights are prepped and ready, now what I gotta do is I gotta take this load resistor and put it on the inside of the bed right there. So I'm gonna get that done real quick. And the reason why I'm not videotaping absolutely everything right now is because I'm recording. And as you can see, I'm recording with my stupid friggin' tablet because my phone died and it doesn't have a flashlight, so that's why you can't really see anything at this moment. So hopefully by the time I'm done, you know, installing these taillights, my phone will be charged, so you guys will be able to see the after results. So let's keep on going. Alright, so I got the 2 load resistors mounted, one here and the other in here. Now all I gotta do is to mount and plug in the taillights and hope everything checks out, because so far this night has been kind of hell. But yeah, as soon as I do, you guys should be able to see the after results as soon as I get the 3rd one installed. And yeah, we'll go from there. All right, guys, fast forward. I ended up actually doing this the next day is because I ran out of daylight way too fast, and it also dropped down to 3 degrees. So that environment was almost impossible to work in. So I decided to wait the next day, at the time my dad came over and helped me with the rest because I ran into some more problems, which I'll explain in a second. And I know what y'all are thinking. The fact that I make videos of me fixing up stuff and building stuff and I barely, you know, show myself building them is because I feel like I work better independently without like a camera like filming me, like I have to worry about multiple things. Or by that, I'm just bad at multitasking. So, yeah, as you can see, guys, so here's the finishing result. Check it out. In the daytime, you can see the aesthetics a lot more. You can see how awesome these, like, black taillights are. And they seem pretty bright, too. And I also installed the 3rd brake light up here. Looking snazzy, as always. Yep, you can see the American flag and everything. It's going to work awesome. But the thing is, though, another reason why I had to replace my taillights is because my right-hand side brake light and turn signal will not work. And when I install this unit, my brake light and turn signal will still not work. So I did some research, and it could be my trailer harness, which, you know, which then again, this is like a whole, you know, I'd say this is like a connects together as a whole unit. Maybe there's some corrosion or a loose wire somewhere. I just got to look for it, and hopefully that will fix my right hand brake line turn signal. So yeah, whenever I do that, I'll show you guys the aesthetics, and if I ever do fix this specific taillight, and yeah, and I'll show y'all guys another, I guess, how they work and what they look like. And also, the reason why I was having more problems is because the wiring harness to the taillights would not completely fit over the original wiring harness that connected over the old taillights. So what I had to do is I had to cut some plastic off of the new wiring harness and take a nail and then poke the holes that the original harness was supposed to connect it to. And it actually worked. The electrical connection is actually working, but to waterproof it, I had to wrap it around with flex tape. So, yeah. So, yeah, guys, by now, you guys probably know that I'm the absolute king of nail rigging. So, yeah, and I can make shit work. So, yeah, that's that. So I'll be back whenever I fix this problem, and I'll tell y'all when I'll be able to show like the lights functioning for y'all. So see you then. Well, guys, got some great news. I finally got the whole thing working again. Both taillights are working and everything. So now, with that said, let's go ahead and, give it a test. All right, hopefully the camera doesn't fall over while doing this, so let's get it. Well, guys, there you have it. Solid 10 out of 10 in aesthetics, in my honest opinion. After almost a day of what felt like jerry rigging hell, I managed to get these awesome LED taillights installed on my truck. Now, that was just the first. Actually, psych, never mind all of that. So, yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this short-ish video of me installing the LED taillights on my truck. Fast forward to like 6 or 7 months later after that video was filmed. And I was originally going to put that video into like a compilation of me like installing LED headlights and all that good stuff, but I decided to just to end it here because I don't really plan on modifying this truck any further due to me running low on money. And also I actually did just recently started trade school, and so I got to save my money for that thing over there, the white car. Yeah, so yeah, I know it's kind of a disappointment saying that I'm gonna, do all this stuff to this truck in this video, but I'm just gonna, leave it as this, just the tail lights. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that rather adventurous video. If you did, definitely smash that like button for more content in the future. And in the next video is gonna be an update video of what, content is to be expected in the future of this channel, because honestly, I know this channel is still somewhat new, and I'm still failing to retain the upload schedule and all the videos that I'm, producing out, and what kind of videos I'm producing. But really, my life is just changing and changing and changing. Like the trade school thing, that started way earlier than I thought. But I guess I'll cover more of that in my next video. But for now, this is all you're gonna get for this video. I know it's kind of disappointing, just like the rest of my videos. But yeah, that's that. That's the LED taillight video. Hope you guys enjoyed. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.